Imagine this for a moment. A cold, damp garage. Outside, the sound of passing cars. Inside, just a small table, 2 chairs, and a few tangled wires. No one could have imagined that this tiny space would one day give birth to an idea that would change the world forever. There was no fancy office. No line of investors waiting to fund their dream. All they had was one powerful belief. We can build something new, something that will make people's lives easier. If you're sitting there today thinking, I don't have money, I don't have a team, I don't even have a proper place to start, then this story is for you. Because history has proven, time and time again, that world-changing success often begins from absolutely nothing. Let's go back to where it all started. 2 young people in their early 20s. Maybe they had just finished college, or maybe they hadn't even graduated yet. Their pockets were empty, but their minds were overflowing with ideas. They truly believed that technology could make life simpler, if it was built the right way. They didn't have a massive factory. They had a garage, a few second-hand tools, and an unstoppable determination to work through countless nights. Building their first invention took months. Again and again, it failed. More than once, they looked at each other and thought, maybe we're not capable of doing this. But every failure brought them back to that same table. They tried again. And again. Do you know why? Because they had a purpose strong enough to pull them out of bed every morning. They weren't chasing money. They believed they were creating something that could genuinely improve people's lives. Eventually, the day finally came. Their first product entered the market. At first, almost nobody knew who they were. Sales were painfully slow. Criticism was everywhere. The biggest companies barely noticed they existed. But they refused to quit. They listened carefully to every customer. They learned from every mistake. They worked day and night to improve their product. 1 customer became 10. 10 became 100. Then thousands. And before long, millions of people were using what they had built. That's where the real lesson lies. Success never happens overnight. It is built through consistency, through learning from failure, and through refusing to give up, no matter how difficult the journey becomes. Maybe you're thinking, I'm not as talented as they were. But here's the truth. Talent isn't the most important ingredient. Patience is. Discipline is. The willingness to improve yourself, little by little, every single day, that's what truly creates success. Back then, those 2 young founders had no idea that their small project would one day impact millions of lives. They only knew one thing. Today has to be better than yesterday. And that's the real formula for success. Dreaming big is important. But every big dream is built on small, consistent steps. Learning something new every day. Improving yourself every day. Finding just a little more courage every day. That's how an ordinary story that began inside a tiny garage becomes a story of changing the world. Never forget. Some of the world's greatest companies, including Apple, Amazon, Google, Disney, and HP, started in incredibly humble places. A garage. A basement. A small apartment. They didn't begin with unlimited money. They began with the courage to take the first step. Today, you have that same opportunity. The only difference is this. Will you choose to start? If you're holding on to an amazing idea but you're afraid of what people might think, remember this. Every great success story began with uncertainty, doubt, and failure. The people history remembers are the ones who kept moving forward anyway. Maybe your garage is simply your bedroom. Maybe your team is just you. Believe it or not, that's enough. It's enough to begin. So here's my final question. Will you start today? No matter how small your idea seems, write it down. Take one small step. Today. Right now. Because every extraordinary success story began in an ordinary moment. The moment when someone quietly said, "Let's give it a try." One day, your story might inspire millions of people. But that story begins today. with one small step. So stop doubting yourself. Leave your fear behind. Move forward. And begin your own journey to changing the world. Starting from your own garage.